most unbelievable excuse someone used and expected you to accept. I had this coworker, Kevin, who was notorious for being late. Like, chronically. One Monday, he waltzes in 2 hours after our team meeting, looking totally unfazed. My boss, clearly at her wit's end, asked him for an explanation, probably expecting the usual traffic or alarm clock issues. But Kevin, with a straight face, said, "My cat spontaneously combusted, and I had to put out the fire with a garden hose." The entire office went silent. We all knew his cat was an outdoor cat and perfectly fine, probably judging us from a sunny spot. Turns out, he'd forgotten about a concert he went to and overslept. He just figured a wild story would be more believable than the truth. He was wrong, and my boss nearly exploded, though thankfully not spontaneously.